Will mattress soften over time? If you've recently bought a new mattress and it feels firmer than you expected, you might be wondering if it will soften over time. Let's break it down to help you understand what's happening with your new bed. First, it's important to know that most mattresses, especially those made of foam or hybrid materials, do indeed soften as you use them. This process is often referred to as the break-in period. Just like new shoes that are stiff at first and mold to your feet over time, mattresses need time to adjust to your body. For instance, memory foam mattresses are known for their ability to mold to your body shape. When you first get a memory foam mattress, it can feel quite firm, but as you sleep on it, the heat and weight of your body cause the foam to soften. This usually happens within a few weeks, typically between 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the type of foam and how often you use the mattress. The same principle applies to other types of mattresses. For example, hybrid mattresses, which combine coil support cores with thicker comfort layers of foam or latex, will also soften as they break in. The pressure from your body helps the components of the mattress relax and mold to your sleeping form, creating a natural body impression that promotes healthy spine alignment. Innerspring mattresses, while generally firmer due to their coil support core, can also experience some softening, although this is less pronounced compared to foam or hybrid mattresses. The key here is the type of materials and construction used in the mattress. Soft mattresses, in particular, are designed to provide more cushioning and contouring to the body. They can be incredibly comfortable, especially for side sleepers or those with painful pressure points. However, it's worth noting that soft mattresses tend to wear out quicker than firmer ones and may not provide the same level of support for spinal alignment over time. In summary, yes, most mattresses will soften over time as they break in and adjust to your body. This is a natural process that makes the mattress more comfortable and supportive as you continue to use it. So if your new mattress feels firmer than you expected, just give it some time, and it will likely become the comfortable bed you were hoping for.